Virus. The genetic invader. A virus is a microscopic pathogen composed of genetic material, DNA or RNA, enclosed in a protein coat, sometimes with a lipid envelope. It invades living cells to replicate, hijacking the host's machinery. Viruses cause diseases like influenza, HIV, and COVID-19. Prion. The misfolded protein. A prion is a misfolded protein that can induce normal proteins in the brain to misfold, leading to neurodegenerative diseases. Prions lack genetic material and reproduce by altering the structure of other proteins. They cause conditions like Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease and mad cow disease. Structure. Complex versus simple. Viruses are complex entities with genetic material and a protective protein shell. In contrast, prions are extremely simple, consisting only of misfolded proteins with no DNA or RNA. Mode of infection. Cell invasion versus protein conversion. Viruses infect and replicate within host cells, using them to produce more viruses. Prions, however, spread by converting normal proteins into their abnormal form, disrupting brain function. Diseases caused. Widespread versus neurodegenerative. Viruses cause a wide range of diseases affecting various organs and systems, from the common cold to hepatitis. Prions exclusively affect the brain and nervous system, leading to fatal neurodegenerative conditions. Reproduction. Genetic replication versus structural transformation. Viruses replicate by injecting their genetic material into host cells. Prions propagate by inducing structural changes in normal proteins, with no genetic material involved in the process. Transmission. Diverse versus limited. Viruses spread through multiple routes, including air, bodily fluids, and contaminated surfaces. Prions are transmitted primarily through infected tissue or ingestion of prion-contaminated food, as seen in mad cow disease. Detectability. Easier versus challenging. Viruses can often be detected using molecular techniques like PCR or antigen tests. Prions, being protein-based, are harder to detect and require specialized methods like brain biopsies or advanced imaging. Treatment. Antivirals versus no cure. Some viral infections can be treated with antiviral drugs or prevented through vaccines. Prion diseases, however, have no cure or effective treatment, making them universally fatal. Conclusion. Distinct pathogens with unique mechanisms. Viruses and prions differ fundamentally in structure, replication, and impact. Viruses rely on genetic material to spread and cause diverse diseases, while prions operate solely as misfolded proteins, leading to devastating neurodegenerative conditions.